Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Part and parcel of Krishna. Even if you don't surrender to Krishna in this life, you will eventually surrender to him, each and every one of us.
Will everyone, even if we don't surrender to Krishna in this life, will everyone surrender to Krishna? Will everyone go back to Godhead eventually?
You have got doubt? Rest assured, not everyone will do that. So you have no reason. It is not that everyone will do that. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Ei rupe brahmanda bhrumite kono bhagavaji. Unless one is Bhagavan, very fortunate, he will not go back to home, back to that. He will rot here. So this Krishna consciousness movement means we are trying to make people Bhagavan. If he wants, he can become Bhagavan. That is our attempt. We are creating so many centers. We are teaching how to become Bhagavan, fortunate, how to go back to home, how he can be happy. Now, if one is fortunate, they will take this instruction and turn his life. Therefore, this is mission. But without becoming Bhagavan, nobody can go. Fortunate. So we are giving them chance to become fortunate. This is our mission. The most unfortunate is getting the chance of becoming fortunate. Any one of us can consider this. How from unfortunate life they are coming to fortunate. This is Krishna consciousness movement. That we are giving chance to the unfortunate. Everyone is unfortunate. Everyone is a rascal. We are giving chance to them how to become intelligent and fortunate. This is Krishna. If the people are not so unfortunate and rascal, then what is the meaning of preaching? Preaching means that you have to turn the rascals and unfortunate to become intelligent and fortunate. That is it. But unless you are fortunate and intelligent, you cannot take to Krishna. That is a fact. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.